How could I possibly be expected to go to school on a beautiful day like this? Isn't this nice? Damn. Oh well. So folks, there's the mower. Anybody care? That's the Snapper SR928 28-inch deck. Electric start. 6 different heights. Inflatable tires. 10 horsepower engine. Electrical cord. So anyway, there it is. Yay. $625 for that. Totally reconditioned, only used for 1 year. Allegedly. What is today? June. Must be the 8th. Must be the 8th today. No wait, 7th. Tonight's pint night. Apparently. Pint night. At the Flying Saucer. Ain't gonna help me none. Because I'm working. Although technically I could go at 9:30. Do I really want to do that? I don't think so. Monday night, pint night. My bike is absolutely filthy. It's a shame. Maybe that's what I'll do this afternoon. In between classes. I'll clean my bike. Maybe even mow the lawn. Look at this. Oh my god. Shameful. CD Wolf would be very unhappy. Keeps telling me to polish my chrome. I'll get to it. Hold your horses. Here we is. On a beautiful day. Taking the old familiar route to school as usual. All y'all must be pretty used to this by now. Oh yeah, there's that speed limit sign I know so well, yes. Oh, there's that mailbox. Yes, I see that before, yes. Oh well. This is pretty much all I do nowadays. Just ride the bike to school and back. Ah, sad as that. My little commuting. You get those guys out there, I ride 30,000 miles per month. There's actually a guy that did that. He did 31,000 miles in 31 days. It's incredible. He did it to raise money. But still, that's incredible. But as I was saying, there are these guys who say, you know, they're real motorcycle riders because they put on 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 miles a year. You know, they actually blew up their car. They hate the car so much they blew it up. They only ride their bike. That's right, folks. They only ride their bike. Uh-oh. I did it again. See that? I always do that. The ID, stupid ID flapping around my neck. Alright, that's better. Ooh, it's cool on the skin. I guess I'm not a real biker if I don't ride my bike 40,000 miles a year. I'm a rich urban biker, is what they call it, right? I'm a rubby. Because I don't wrench my own bike. Hey, you saw what happened when I tried to fix my exhaust pipe problem there. I tried. How many rubbies ever tried? I don't think they tried. And I would never, ever, what was I going to say? I would never trailer my bike to a rally if I went to a rally. If I went to Sturgis, I would ride to Sturgis. How many rubbies would do that? So, I'm feeling defensive. I don't ride enough. I'm sorry, I just don't ride enough. Had a backlog of videos, it just wasn't feeling it for a while. Now I'm back. Riding again. A little bit. Plus it was raining every day and that sucked. So, here I am. Riding along. That was a good 60 right there. 62 around that corner. Not bad, not bad. All it takes is a little bit of a lean of your butt and you're fine. So what's new? What did I do on the weekend? Wait, I'm thinking. I went to an art festival in Fuquay Arena. Really nice little festival, actually. I found a place where this little Chinese lady can sew stuff on jackets and such. So I'm going to go to her to put on my patches, since the lady I used to go to is not there anymore. They closed down, unfortunately. Diana. Oh well. And there's this guy that does leather work. He says he does repair on biker leather, and I have a pair of leather chaps, or not chaps, but leather pants. The buttons kind of came off on the legs, so I'll have him do that for me. I just scraped. I'm a happy guy today. I have no reason to be happy, but I'm just happy. Isn't that nice when you don't have a reason to be happy? You just be happy. My mother says that I suffer from what she suffers from, which is the Irish melancholy. Other people would call it depression, periodic depression. I think it just might be an Irish thing, personally. But I suffered from it for years and years. And I think I'm starting to, realize that you don't have to go through that. You don't have to be depressed and angry. It's kind of embarrassing, but I got to tell you, events in my life kind of brought me to this point where I had to do something about it. I'll start with the event, and then later on I'll tell you what I did about it. So the event was 5 years of hell in Hawaii, and sorry to 808 YouTube, Just Peachy, Hawaii Sidecar, and anyone else who is from Hawaii, loves Hawaii, lives in Hawaii. Everybody has their own experience. Mine was none too positive. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. You see this guy? Nice, bro. Nice. Just pull it anywhere. Yeah. Didn't even hit the gas until he was, just waiting for me to plow into the back of them. Nice. Real nice. Yeah, good job, buddy. Ay. Can you believe this? I got totally sidetracked here with this fruitcake. Could you go any slower? No? I was just going to pull it nice and slow, just like you. Going to ride nice and slowly, just like you big doofus. Goodness gracious. Boy, I just started talking about negative stuff, and look at this bird. Wow. Anyway, so getting to my story. I'll just try to sum up real easy here. The commute was really bad. Living expenses were really bad. The job was kind of crazy. I saw stuff in Hawaii that I never ever saw anywhere else in my job, in my life too. Just crazy unprofessional stuff. It's just, if you haven't lived there, it's hard to explain. There's a lot of stuff that goes on there that just what? Later on, maybe, if anyone wants to know, I'll give you some specific anecdotes. But it was traumatic, and it took me a couple of years to get over it, actually. Yeah, I actually had to get over it. Isn't that terrible? But probably the worst of all was the PhD that I was doing. I'll get to that later. Shoot, I didn't really get to anything in my story. Another one! Damn! They're everywhere. Jeez. Story interrupted by dump truck. Here I am at school. So, hey, CD Wolf, check this out. See, that's usually where I park. So right in here somewhere. So, anybody's interested, but I came in a bit late today. So I'm going to park over here. There we go. Alright folks, I'll see y'all later.